Hello, welcome to our channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. We specialize in the common rail injector, and each week we have different videos and live show on the Facebook and the YouTube account. Today I want to show you some of our product. Look at this one. This is our injector repair kit. Yes, it can be fitted with this fuel injector. Let's check the details for this one, okay? Please follow me. Look, let's to see the labels. On the first line, you can see it's the audacity model numbers 6507003Z13. Okay, this is the product name, injector repair kit. As you can see, for this kind of packaging bags and this kind of label, if you want to design your own label or your own packaging bags or logos, yes, it's okay. With Shumatt, we can supply you this kind of customized services. We can help you to design the packaging bag, the logo, and the labels, and so on. Yep. Okay. I will open it to see the inside part. Well, I will go to the fuel injector as an example to show you. I will open it from this part. Our bag is recyclable, and you can use it many times. It's very friendly to the environment. Yes, this is the inside part. Yes, we have the 4 sealing rings and 1 copper backing. Look at it. Look at this part. This kind of sealing rings. This one can be used in here, as you can see. Yes, for some of the sealing rings, it can be used in the outside part. Some of the sealing rings are used in the inside part. Yep. And when we exchange the accessories, you can use it in this kind of small parts. This is our copper backing. Yes. Our sealing rings can be better protected the fuel injectors. It can be connected with the different parts very tightly and to avoid some air and some liquid and avoid some it won't be loose. Yes. Okay. That's all about our product details. Actually, we have the many models of our product, right? If you are not sure about our product models, you can send us the numbers. We can help you to check it. Also, you can download the app. Actually, some customers, they are curious about our product warranties. And here, we'd like to share with you about our warranty time. We have the 6 months warranties. During this time, if you are not satisfied with the qualities, you can contact us. We can exchange the product for you. Okay, that's the product we are showing today. Actually, each week we will have different videos and live show on the Facebook and YouTube account. Yeah, if you like our product, if you like my videos, please focus at our channel and remember to follow us. Except that we also supply the injector, the nozzle, fuel, the repair kit, the pumps, the part for the pumps. Yes, any items if you are interested, feel free to contact us. Today, that's all about our product. Okay, thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.